We continue following breaking news. Governor Charlie Baker and the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education announcing the statewide public school mask mandate will be lifted at the end of the month. Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. We have team coverage with Western Mass News reporters Briseida Landaverde and Matt Satilli with more on the decision and how this could impact school sports. We begin first with Briseida.
Yeah, well, Chris and Jordan, the mask mandate for students in grades K through 12 will be lifted on February 28th. Now, parents I spoke to were definitely concerned to hear about this change in policy. Big changes are underway for students, staff, and teachers in the Bay State. On Wednesday, breaking news from Governor Charlie Baker and the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education. The statewide public school mask mandate will end on February 28th.
This was a decision that his team made after careful consultation with public health officials.
The lifting of the mandate will also apply to early education centers. Governor Baker says there were many elements that played a role in making this decision.
Given the extremely low risk for young people, the widespread availability and the proven effectiveness of vaccines, and the distribution of accurate test protocols and tests, it's time to give our kids a sense of normalcy and lift the mask mandate on a statewide basis for schools.
DESE Commissioner Jeffrey Riley says all testing protocols will remain in place and schools will continue to offer COVID-19 vaccine clinics.
We are second in the nation among states with the greatest uptake of vaccines in the 5 to 11-year-old group, and 82% of our 16 to 19-year-olds have received at least one shot.
However, masks are still required when social distancing is not possible, also on school buses, because it is a federal order.
Masking will be an individual choice in schools across the Commonwealth on February 28th, unless a school district decides to establish a local requirement.
One parent we spoke with was concerned about the changes.
I think that is crazy because there's still some variants coming out and it's still rampant at this moment. So I think there still should be some safeguards. Some children are still not vaccinated, and they're not safe in that environment.
Now coming up at 6, we break down which local school superintendents have said they would like to follow DESE's guidance and which towns and cities are waiting a bit longer before making a decision. For now, reporting in studio, Briseida Landaverde for Western Mass News.